Yeah, okay. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm filming my learning activity on Duolingo.com. Yeah, it's a great website, or you can install the app of Duolingo. It's a great website or app to use to begin learning new language. Like me right now, I'm learning Arabic in this app. Yeah, the activity is quite interesting for me as a beginner. Yeah, not for advanced. I know for advanced, but for beginner, I think it's interesting. It's easy to remember new words because in the activity, several words, the new words you find in the activity will be repeated several times, so you can remember. Yeah, and there are so many topics actually. Yeah, like this one about time, job, and geo, and also about weather at home, food, office, and many things. Yeah, okay. And for today, yeah, I jumped here. Okay, what about my ranking now? Oh, today I rank first. What about now? Oh, five. Yeah, because I was very busy this morning and also last night, so I didn't do exercise. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm number five now. Okay, this afternoon I'm free. I can do it. I can reach number one, maybe. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. Let's start the study. It's about time now. I have finished lesson 1 and lesson 2 in time here, and jobs here, level 2 now. Okay, let's begin time or jobs. I think jobs. Okay, job. It doesn't matter. Oh, level 2. Okay, start. Loading.
ماذا تدرسين يا رانيا؟
Mother, what? Tadrusina. You female study. Tadrus, you study. Tadrusina, you female. Mata tadrusina, what do you study? Ya Rania. Okay, I remember the word here. Okay, what do you study? Rania. Mother tadrusina, tadrusina, ya Rania. Let's check. Yes, correct. Okay. What about this one? Where do you study now? Where? Aina. Where in Arabic is Aina, this one.
أين؟
Ain. Aina tadrusina. Do you study?
تدرسين.
Tadrusina. Now al-an, this one.
الآن.
Aina tadrusina al-an. Judy. Ya,
يا جودي.
Judy. Let's check. Good
أنا
job.
اسمي روزا وأنا طالبة.
Ana ismi. I think you don't need to say Ana ismi. Just say ismi Rosa or just Ana Rosa. I am Rosa. My name is Rosa. Okay, doesn't matter. So my name here is me. My name is Rosa. وأنا طالبة. For male طالب, for female طالبة. طالبة. And I am a student. Check. Correct. He doesn't study in a French university. Oh, he doesn't study lah.
لا.
يدرس يدرس here he studies, but she, oh تدرسين, she
تدرسين.
studies. لا تدرسين, she doesn't study. في
في
oh في جامعة
جامعة
فرنسية.
فرنسية.
French University, جامعة فرنسية. Let's check. Yeah, لا يدرس, sorry. make mistake. Oh, لا يدرس. Okay, تدرس you. Oh, sorry, I forgot it. So, uh, لا يدرس. Why not تدرس? Oh, you. تدرس you. Okay, لا يدرس. Okay, sorry. So the correct translation here لا يدرس. She. So the same. Oh, for male دراسة, for female يدرس. Okay,
أدرس
doesn't
في
matter.
ألمانيا الآن.
أدرس. I study. I study in Filmania, Almania, Germany. I study in Germany. Al-an, now, Almania, Germany. Yeah, correct. You don't study computer science, Josh. لا تدرس. لا
لا
تدرسين female. تدرس.
تدرس.
you تدرس. You study. لا تدرس. science علم. لا تدرس علم
علم
الحاسوب.
الحاسوب.
computer science. Josh.
جورج.
Check. Yeah, I forgot to insert yeah here. Okay, so in Arabic we must put yeah here. لا تدرس علم الحاسب. Yeah, Josh. Okay, correct.
أدرس علم الحاسوب.
I study computer science. Check. Okay, correct. I don't know what you study, Carrie. لا
لا
no, I don't know. لا أعرف. ما
أعرف.
أعرف. أعرف. I know. لا أعرف. I don't know. ماذا what
ماذا
you study, Carrie? Female here. تدرسين. Carrie, male or female? The picture here is a man. تدرس. Yeah,
تدرس. يا كري.
Carrie. Is male or female? Check. Yeah, it's female. Sorry, Carrie is female. لا تدرسين.
يدرس اللغة العربية مع دو.
يدرس. He studies اللغة العربية. Arabic مع with do. What is do? Oh, name. Correct. What does he study now? He male. ماذا
ماذا
تفعل؟ يفعل. يدرس.
يدرس.
ماذا يدرس؟ What does يدرس he study الآن؟
الآن
Check.
أدرس في الجامعة. أدرس
أدرس
في الجامعة.
الجامعة. Check.
أدرس علم الحاسوب.
What? I must type. I study computer science. I study computer science. Okay, correct.
أين تدرس الآن يا بشير؟
أين
أين تدرس
تدرس
الآن
الآن
يا
يا بشير؟
بشير.
تدرس because male here, بشير. Yeah, check. Correct.
يدرس اللغة العربية.
يدرس he studies Arabic. Let's check.
هل تدرس علم الحاسوب يا بوب؟
هل
هل تدرس علم
علم
الحاسوب يا
يا
بوب؟
The topic is about job, but it's about study.
أنا اسمي لما وأنا طالبة في جامعة ألمانية.
My name is Lama and I am a student in German University. I'm a student in German University. Check. Yeah, I'm a student at German. I forgot it. At a German.
ماذا تدرس يا مايك؟ ماذا
Mana
تدرس
terus ya
يا
Mike.
مايك؟
Check. Correct.
ماذا تدرسين يا رانيا؟
Rania is female here. Where do you study? Rania. Let's check. Where do you study? Oh, the question mark. I forgot it. What matter? What? Sorry. Matter what?
أنا اسمي لما وأنا طالبة في جامعة ألمانية.
أنا
اسمي أنا اسمي لما وأنا طالبة في جامعة ألمانية.
لما
وأنا
وأنا
طالبة
طالبة
في
في
جامعة
جامعة
ألمانية.
German University.
أين تدرس الآن يا بشير؟
Where do you study now? Oh, how to write Bashir? Like this one. Where do you study now? Bashir check. Correct. He doesn't study in a French university.
لا.
Tadrus. The picture is female, but here is male. Oh. Yeah, okay. It makes me a little bit confusing. La Yadrus. Yadrus, yeah, because male. He, not
يدرس
she. La Yadrus.
في
في جامعة. Where is جامعة? لا
جامعة
يدرس في جامعة فرنسية.
فرنسية.
Let's check. Correct. You don't study computer science, Josh. Oh, this one is male. لا
لا
تدرس
تدرس
علم الحاسب.
علم
حاسب.
الحاسوب.
Computer science. You don't study computer science, Josh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
يا جورج.
George. Check. Correct. I don't know what you study, Kelly. Oh, this one is female. لا
لا
أعرف
أعرف ماذا
ماذا
تدرسين
تدرسين. Yeah.
يا
Carrie. The
كري.
picture make me confused here. The picture is male, but here Carrie is female. لا أعرف. I don't know. ماذا what تدرسين. You. Yeah, and non here is female. تدرسين. Yeah, Carrie. Check. Correct. Okay.
أنا اسمي لما وأنا طالبة في جامعة ألمانية.
This one I wrong. I was wrong just now. My name is Lama and I am a student at a German university. Like this one. My name is Lama and I'm a student at a German university. Check. Correct. Okay.
ماذا تدرسين يا رانيا؟
What do you study? What do you study? Rania? Question mark. What matter? Check. Correct. Okay, done. Lesson complete. Okay, so it's about education. 4 days straight. Thank you. Okay, everybody. I finished now. Okay. Because I need to do something else. So I think that's all the video. Okay, just wait the later update. Okay, I hope this video useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend if you think this video is useful. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.